Windows 11 Start menu search not working. Blank results, an empty box, or a search that will not open. Here are 16 fixes, step by step, from the easiest to the most advanced.
The symptoms vary. You click the search icon, type a query, and the results list stays empty. Sometimes the flyout opens as a blank white box. Sometimes you cannot even type. And sometimes the search process, SearchHost.exe, crashes in a loop. All of these mean the same thing. Windows search is broken. Work through the fixes in order. Most people only need the first few.
Fix 1, the fastest. Restart the search process. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Details tab. Find SearchHost.exe. It may show as suspended. Right-click it and choose End Task, then confirm with End Process. Windows restarts it automatically. Click the search icon and try again.
If search still hangs, restart the Windows shell. In Task Manager, go to Details, right-click Explorer.exe and choose End Task. The taskbar disappears. That is normal. Click File, Run New Task, type Explorer.exe and press OK. The taskbar comes back. Now try search again.
Fix 3. Restart the Windows search service. Press the Windows key +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll to Windows Search. Right-click it and choose Restart. Also, double-check that its startup type is automatic. If not, open Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, then OK.
Fix 4 comes straight from Microsoft. Restart the Windows Font Cache service, open services.msc again, find Windows Font Cache service, right-click it and choose Stop. Try searching now. Then right-click it again and choose Start.
Fix 5. Make sure Windows is up to date. Open Settings, click Windows Update, and press Check for updates. Install anything pending and restart. Important. In April 2026, Microsoft itself broke Start menu search with a server-side Bing update, then rolled it back and pushed a fix automatically. So an updated online PC usually heals itself after that one.
Fix 6. Run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Press the Windows key +R, type cmd, and run this command. msdt.exe-ep Windows Help ID Search Diagnostic. Follow the on-screen steps and apply any fix it finds. Heads up. On newer Windows 11 25H2 builds, this old troubleshooter has been retired. If nothing opens, just move to the next fix.
Fix 7. Rebuild the search index. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and open Searching Windows. Under Find My Files, choose Classic, then click Customize Search Locations. In the Indexing Options window, click Advanced. On the Index Settings tab, under Troubleshooting, click Rebuild, and confirm with OK. Indexing restarts from scratch. Give it time, then restart your PC and test.
Fix 8. Turn off the web content that hangs the search box. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Search Permissions. Under More Settings, turn off Show Search Highlights. Then, under Cloud Content Search, turn off Microsoft Account and Work or School Account. Restart and test. If the toggle is missing on your build, it is hidden by policy. Just continue with the next fix.
Fix 9. Force local-only search with a registry edit. Press the Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to HKCU Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Search. Create 2D WORD values. Bing Search enabled, and Cortana consent both set to 0. Restart your PC. Search is now local only, which is often faster. Minor warning. Some users see a harmless notification that indexing is not working. That is a known quirk. Fix 10. Repair the WebView 2 runtime that renders search results. Open command prompt and run. Wing it install Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. Let it install, then restart your computer. If Wing it is missing, repair it from Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime, Advanced Options, Repair.
Fix 11. Re-register the Search app packages. Right-click Start and open Terminal as administrator. Run the first command to re-register the Windows Client CBS package, which contains SearchHost. Then re-register Windows.Search and Start Menu Experience Host. Restart your PC. Ignore any red error text. Let each command finish.
Fix 12 is the official Microsoft reset. First, in File Explorer, delete the search data folder under App Data, Local, Packages. Microsoft Windows.Client CBS. If access is denied, take ownership in the Security tab. Next, open Registry Editor and delete the search key under HKCU, Software, Microsoft Windows Current Version. Then in PowerShell as administrator, run add app x package with register and the client CBS manifest path. Restart your PC. Windows rebuilds the search state from scratch.
Fix 13. Repair system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run SFC/scan now and let it finish. Restart. Then run dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and restart again. If search still fails, reinstall the search engine feature with DISM. Disable and re-enable search engine client package, then reboot.
Fix 14 is for the cannot type symptom. Press the Windows key plus R and run c:\system32\ctfmon.exe. Text input usually comes back instantly. To make it permanent, add it to startup with this registry command.
Fix 15. Test with a fresh user account. Open Settings, Accounts, Other Users, and click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person sign in information then. Add a user without a Microsoft account. Create a test user, sign out, and sign in with it. If search works there, the problem is tied to your profile. If it still fails, it is system-wide. Continue to the last fix.
Fix 16, the last resort. An in-place repair install. Download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website. Mount it and run setup.exe. On the ready-to-install screen, confirm Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. Then click Install. Windows reinstalls itself while keeping your files and programs. When it finishes, search should work again.
Why does this happen? 6 common causes. 1. A server-side Bing update, like the April 2026 incident, breaks the web search layer. 2. The Windows search service is stopped or disabled. 3. The search index or catalog is corrupted, logged as events 7040 and 7042. 4. The search app packages are damaged, so SearchHost crashes. 5. Broken registry or policy settings block web search. And 6. Third-party start menu customizers, like Windhawk, interfere. Match the cause to the fix, and search comes back.
The April 2026 outage in detail. Microsoft pushed a server-side Bing update on April 6th to improve search performance. It broke start menu search on many Windows 11, 23 H2 PCs, showing blank results that were still clickable. Microsoft admitted the fault, rolled the update back, and shipped health update WI 1273488. No local fix was needed. The fix arrived automatically.
Quick recap. If search is just hung, restart SearchHost Explorer or the search service. If results are empty, rebuild the index, then turn off search highlights and cloud search. If the box is blank, disable web search in the registry or repair WebView 2. If nothing works, reset search repair system files, test a new account, and finally do a repair install.
Try them in order. One of these 16 will bring your search back.
Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more Windows fixes. And if you still have issues, tell us your Windows version and what you tried in the comments. See you in the next one.